Hello students, in this video lesson which is the fourth part of the video which I am making on the chapter The Road Not Taken, I will be discussing question answers. First of all, I will discuss few questions which are with reference to the context. It means a stanza will be given and few questions will be asked with it. These questions are multiple choice questions for your better understanding. So this is one stanza and there will be two questions related to this stanza. Stanza says, and both that morning equally lay, in leaves no step had trodden back. Oh, I kept thee first for another day, yet knowing how way leads on to way. I doubted if I should ever come back. So the first question is both in line 1 refers to. So there are four options: leaves, roads, steps, the poet and his friends, but the answer is roads. Both refers to roads. So the second question related to that particular stanza only. The poet chose to travel on another road because. So there are four options. It was easier, it was shorter and easier, it was grassy and wanted wear. He was sure of his success on that way. So what will be the answer? The answer will be third. It is clearly mentioned in the stanza 2 that it was grassy and it wanted wear. So that is the answer. So here is another reference to context question. Yet knowing how way leads on to way, I doubted if I should come back. So the question says, in this extract the poet is describing what the poet is describing in this extract. Options are given: a road, his love for trekking; two roads, the one he chose and the reason for his choice; and fourth option is his tastes. The answer will be third, two roads, the one he chose and the reason for his choice. Now here is another stanza. Two roads diverged in a yellow wood, and sorry I could not travel both, and be one traveller long I stood, to where it bent in the undergrowth. So the question says the poet is standing, and then four options are given: at a crossing in autumn season, where two roads cross, and fourth option is in a forest. So the answer will be the third option, where two roads cross. So the poet is standing wherever he has found two different roads, where two roads cross. Now here is another stanza. And both that morning equally lay, in leaves no step had trodden black. Oh, I kept thee first for another day, yet knowing how way leads on to way, I doubted if I should ever come back. So the question says that the poet decided that, and there are four options. He would take the second road and leave the first one for some other day. Second option is he would take the frequently trodden road. The third option is he would go back and decide later on, and the fourth option is he would take the first road. So the option will be the first one, that he would take the second road and leave the first one for some other day. That is what poet decided. We are done with reference to context question. Now here are some short answer questions. It means the questions which you will get will have short answers. The answers will be of 30 to 40 words. So the first question is, discuss the significance of the title The Road Not Taken. So the answer is, it depicts the feeling of regret. After making a choice, he was plagued with the idea of not making the other choice. He regrets not adopting the other cause, the other road, the other choice. Even when we do well, often making a choice, we keep thinking of the gains and success which could have been ours if we had taken the other choice. So the title basically signifies the regret of not choosing the other road. The second question is, describe the two roads that the author finds. Which road does he choose? The answer is, one day the poet comes to a bifurcation in the road and needs to decide which road he should take to continue his journey. One road was a beaten track. Many people had walked on it. It was lost in the small shrubs. The other road was grassy and seemed less trodden. So, being adventurous in nature, the poet chooses the second road, which was grassy and less walked on, and left the first one for some other day. Now, this is the third question. What was the poet's dilemma in the poem The Road Not Taken? So, the poet faces a dilemma that every man faces in his life, that is, making a right decision. We also face the same problem in life, same dilemma in life. One day during the walk, the poet reached bifurcation in the road. Out of the two roads, he had to take only one. So he decides to take the second road, which was less frequented. Hence, the road is a symbolic of the choice. It is just not possible to make more than one choice and to take both the roads. So the poet decides to take the road less traveled. Now the next question is, why did the poet keep the first road for another day? The answer is, once the poet had to make a decision as to which road he should travel out of two in front of him, he examines both the roads and finds the other road less traveled. It was because of the visuals only. There was no other option to find out that how the roads looked. It was just the visual that made him choose. So he did not want to follow a beaten track and decides to take the other road and keep the first one for some other day. But somewhere in his mind he is troubled with the thought that he may not be able to do so. Do what? Choose the first road which he left for some other day. Now the next question. I took the one less travelled by. What do we come to know about the poet from this line? Or the question can be some other way, that what does the choice made by the poet indicates about his personality in the poem The Road Not Taken? So the answer for both is, this line reveals the adventurous nature of the poet, because when he had to take a decision of making a choice, he did not take the beaten track. He chooses the path which is not frequented. He decides to leave the first road for some other day, knowing fully well that he will not get a chance to go back to it. Now here is a question which I gave in one of the worksheet 2. Write a brief note on the theme of Robert Frost's poem The Road Not Taken. So the answer is, Robert Frost is known for writing poetry which had philosophical streaks. The poem The Road Not Taken is based on the theme of making a difficult choice which has a universal appeal. It concerns making the right choice, the right decision. Road is a symbolic word which stands for a choice. It is just not possible to make more than one choice and to take both the roads. We have to make one choice, we have to take one road. While making our choice, we do consider all the factors, still it is not foolproof. So the elements of regret remains, which takes away our contentment. This is the great tragedy of life. Okay, so the next question, why did the poet doubt his coming back on the same intersection in life? This poem is about choices, decisions and their consequences. It is a fact that once the choice has been made, there is no going back. The traveller standing on the road of life is confronted with a dilemma when both the paths and choices look equally promising. Once a road is chosen, the traveller has to move on. There is no rewinding. There would never be a betting time or opportunity for coming back and exercising the choice again. Time has changed, so has the psychology of the traveller. It will never be the same again. So one sticks to the road one has taken and makes it lead to the destination already decided. Now that we are done with the short answer questions, here are two long answer questions. The answers are comparatively long and it can be of 60 to 70 words. So the question is, as the poet who took the road not taken by many people, write a letter to your friend stating how it has made all the difference. So you'll have to write a letter to your friend. So here is one letter sample actually. Dear Smith, as you know that I have established myself as a poet, but this journey of life had not been very simple. I must tell you about the day when I was facing a dilemma to choose between the two roads to walk upon, and I chose the one which was less frequented, leaving the first one for some other day. I knew fully well that I will not get a chance to go back to it. Now I wish I had taken the first road. But friend, this is the irony of life. We cannot travel on all the available roads, no matter howsoever we wish to. The basic thing is to make right choice, because after that we can't undo them. It is only the future that will reveal whether our decision was right or wrong. Since I took the road less traveled by, it has made all the difference. The outcome is known to you. Rest in next letter. Yours, Robert Frost. Students, you can relate to it. Now is the time when you have to choose what you want to do and what you don't want to do. So please relate with the poem and have better understanding and choose well in life. Here is the second question. Based on your understanding of the poem The Road Not Taken, write a diary entry of the speaker in the poem about the day he had to make choice. You have to write the diary entry yourself, but here is a sample at how you have to write. Okay, so here is a diary entry. Dear diary, 24th September 2019. After a long time, I got a chance to reveal my inner feelings to you. Today, although I am a well-established poet, I cannot forget the day when I was standing at a place where I had to make a choice of profession. I decided to choose the one which was not followed by many. Although I considered all the factors, even then I was unsure whether it was foolproof. I knew fully well that once the choice is made, I have to move on. There is no rewinding or opportunity for coming back and exercising the choice again. Now I wish that I had taken the other road, as I had to go a long way and struggle hard to establish myself. But this is the irony of life. We cannot travel on all the available roads, no matter howsoever we may wish to. The grass is always greener on the other side. We have to continue with the decisions we once make, whatever the outcome. I should also not regret mine. I am quite contented with my decision. So here is a diary entry you can write for your own. Thank you, students. These questions have come in the past question papers in the board exams too, and there are few questions which I have given in the worksheet. I will be attaching an assignment with it which you will have to do, and our chapter The Road Not Taken will be complete. Although I will attach one video too which will be the recapitulation of the chapter The Road Not Taken.